We have just started a new video. Okay. Hi everyone. And this is a new video. And I am so confused. But we are making car sounds. We are going to get it ready. I'm going to start with a Toyota Supra. Let's go. We are only doing 3 car sounds. Time to do a Lamborghini. And the last car sound we're going to do is the Nissan GTR Skyline. No, that's not it. I might change that one because I'm not really good at that one. What else could I do? An SLE. That's the end of the video. I hope you like it. Yes, and so make sure if you like this video, make sure if you have a cat, comment that you have a cat. Bye.